Hi everyone, here we've got POCO F3 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, obviously we have to enter the camera app. Let's give all the permissions if you are turning it off for the very first time. And here, since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to focus on the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this icon. And as you can see on this second option bar, we've got the actual timer. Right now it is turned off, but instead of this option, we can also set 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick 10 seconds delay, for example. Obviously you have to tap on the option you'd like to use right now. And since it is highlighted, since you can see this yellow color around it, it means that it has been successfully applied and your device will actually use this option. So let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see right now, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. So let me open the settings and let's pick the 3 seconds delay. And the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on this clock icon, and right now your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your POCO F3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.